Welcome again. Let's look at this question. What causes cheek dimple? Cheek dimple is a dent that is seen on the cheek, and this is caused by defect of the underlying muscle. Let's go through with this video to see how these come into existence. Cheek dimple is more pronounced when individual smiles, and it is seen either on one side of the cheek or both sides of the cheek, but it is usually seen on both sides. It is technically referred to as the fovea buccalis. Also, going further in unfolding this, there is a muscle that is called the Zygomaticus major. This is the Zygomaticus major muscle. This muscle extends from the zygomatic arch down to the angle of the mouth. This muscle is what causes this depression or this dent that is seen on the side of the cheek that is referred to as the cheek dimple. And this occurs when the Zygomaticus major exhibits bifid presentation. When this muscle splits into two, there's creation of a hole or space between it. So you have a region of the Zygomaticus major at the upper part, and you have another region at the lower part. This is the normal presentation of the muscle, but when there is a bifid presentation, this is what is seen, where it gets to split into two. And this splitting action is what causes this cheek dimple. When there is a smile, there's contraction of this muscle, and this tends to create a form of depression around this space, and that is seen as a dent on the cheek. Universally, the cheek dimple is seen as a physical attractive feature, but it is a genetic abnormality. So it is an abnormality of the Zygomaticus major muscle that causes cheek dimples. So thanks for watching. Let's meet again.